French toast, Wentelteefjes, something different. Welcome back to Cooking with Feffie, guys. Today we're gonna make French toast, something different than my usual recipes. You're gonna need 1 egg, half a cup of milk. Oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe. We're gonna use about half a teaspoon of sugar. If you want it sweeter, you can add more. Some cinnamon and some nutmeg. Mix it up. Oh yeah, don't forget a drop of vanilla extract. Okay, a few drops. Mix it up. And then put that aside. We're gonna use brioche. Just make sure your bread is a milky, sweet bread. I used to use a brown sliced bread, and brioche is just top level, next level. I use about 5 slices for this recipe. You can use more or less depending on the thickness of your slices. Now you're gonna add some butter to the pan. Make sure your pan is not too hot. And then you're gonna dip it lightly in the batter on both sides. And then add it to your pan on medium heat. Make sure to turn it around after a few minutes. And then repeat that again. Now add it to your plate. Add a bit of butter for garnish, some cinnamon powder, and some syrup or honey. Look at that. I also added some strawberries for the acidity and the decor. And there you have it, French toast. P.S. Let your man feed you. Look at that. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to take a look at my other videos and see you at my next new video. Bye.